Hello everyone, this is question 4 now on paper 1 from 2022 for Edexcel, and we've got integration as the limit of a sum kind of question. Now often this kind of confuses people when they see this, if they're not that familiar with it. So basically we've got this summation sign, and I think the mistake that sometimes students make is they mix this up with geometric series and arithmetic series. But actually what this is it's like kind of integration from first principles. So when we've got this sigma notation and we've got the limit as delta x tends to 0, what that means is this is just another way of writing the integral, okay, between, in this case, 2.1 and 6.3 of 2 over x dx. So for our 1 mark, when you see that integration as the limit of a sum, it's integration from first principles and you need to rewrite it as an integral. Okay, part B is to now actually conduct the integration. So it says, hence show that that expression there is equal to ln k, where k is a constant to be found. So the integral of 2 over x, you could think of it, by the way, as 2 times the integral of 1 over x, because a constant can be taken outside of an integral. So, but it turns out to be 2 ln x between 6.3 and 2.1. So we've got 2 ln x there with 6.3 minus 2 ln x with 6.1. Now that is 2 ln x, 2 ln of 6.3 divided by 2.1. And 6.3 divided by 2.1 is 3. So we've got 2 ln 3. Using the power law of logs, we're going to put that as ln 3 squared. So therefore it ends up as being ln 9. So in this case, our value of k is equal to 9. Hope you found that helpful. See you in the next video.